Okay, the man in the mirror. The man in the mirror is you. All right. So, with that, gentlemen, today I want to ask you one single question. When you look in the mirror, what do you really see? When you look at the mirror and you're looking at yourself, what do you really see? Do you see the man who still chasing his purpose, or do you see someone who has quietly accepted less than they deserve? It's a good question. Today we're going to change that. We're going to take it and make you or get you to look at yourself. All right. So, point one, stop lying to yourself. Stop lying to yourself. It's hard. It's a hard conversation, but you'll either have to have it with yourself or you won't. But you have to be honest with yourself. Honest that once that the one with you or the one for you is you. You have to be honest with yourself. So ask yourself these questions. Am I taking care of my health? Am I taking care of my family? Am I taking care of my finances? Am I becoming the man I said that I want to be? You have to start taking care of you before you can take care of anybody else. Because once you fail, everything else, of course, follows suit. So growth begins with honesty. Point two, accept responsibility. Life isn't always fair. It truly isn't. Um, some things happen to you that you don't deserve. I understand that. And I'm sure you do too. But we need to learn from those things. But when things happen, next belongs to you. What's next? What next? What's next? It happened to you. So it belongs to you. It doesn't belong to anybody else. Your future is waiting for you. All right. And it's your decision, not your excuse. So whatever's happened has happened. Now we need to move on. There's nothing that we can do about the past except move forward. All right. So point two is taking responsibility and accepting that responsibility. Point three is change your daily identity. All right. Don't say, I'm trying to get healthy. Instead, say, I'm a healthy man and start following that up with action. Don't say, I'm trying to become more disciplined. Say, I'm a disciplined man and then act more disciplinedly. More act with more discipline. Act more like the person that you would admire for their discipline, for their ability to get things done, for their ability to finish things up. Your actions eventually follow your identity. So, who you are and who you show yourself to be is who you are. There's a thing that says fake it till you make it. Well, you're not faking it. You're just reaching for that goal. And once you reach that goal, then you need to maintain it. I'm always talking to people and they're like, you're a good dude. And I'm like, what? I'm going to keep doing the things that I'm doing now so that I stay a good dude. All right. I'm not going to continue off of my laurels to my future. So my present is always going to be with me being aware of what's going on and me doing what's necessary. Point four is win today. Forget next year. Forget 5 years. Forget everything else. Work on what you need to do to win today. What is winning today? Winning today is drinking water today, walking today. It's reading a chapter of a book. Or if you can't read a whole chapter, start with one page. But something that's going to move you, not something that's going to entertain you. It's not something that's just scrolling garbage or some mega bullshit. All right. Look at things that are going to help you. Make a phone call to somebody that you haven't talked to that you'd like to talk to. Follow up. Check in on other people. Do the things that you need to do because those small victories, those are the things that make and build great men. So in closing, the man in the mirror isn't your enemy. He is waiting for you to lead him, and you are him. This is Mr. Z Inspires. Again, if this moves you or works for you, please share this with someone that you think it could help. And again, follow us at www.mrzinspires.com and follow us on YouTube at Mr. Z Inspires. Again, this is Mr. Z, and you guys have a great day. Thank you for your time and be well. Good luck. You can do it.